Why not? Anytime you can utilize this and save yourself time, right, and labor, why not use it? Yeah, I'm Eric DeRose with Oak Ridge Industries. I'm a sales rep and project manager. We do a ton of, residence flooring and coatings, and we do a ton of urethane cement. So we use the Portamix equipment for every project we're on. The time spent, right, getting guys off their hands and knees, making small batches, this speeds up the entire process. Plus, not only that, you're getting a thorough mix when you're doing it. A lot of the projects we do are pharma and biotech projects, so we're doing 30,000 feet, 50, 100,000 foot projects. We try to go in before there's overhead, layouts, walls, and we have this open canvas of concrete. And we can bead blast, open up cracks, joints, address them, and then come down and put down urethane cement, and then we pull off. And imagine doing that in 5-gallon buckets, as opposed to this. Like I said, so we even utilize it on 2,000 foot projects. And not only that, but it's getting mixed thoroughly. And then you're putting it down, you're gauge raking it, you're spreading it. It's a lifesaver. All I can say is get it. Man, if we had this sooner than later, we would have been using it. It's one of the best tools out there. It's a great piece of equipment, and you're great people, and I highly recommend it. And I wasn't paid to say this.